Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and today is May the 4th. So you know what day it is, right? You know. Come on. I'll give you a hint. Is that enough? Okay. Ready? Ready. Bum 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 ba 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 ba. It's Star Wars Day, guys! The greatest day of the year, one of my favorite days because I love Star Wars. It is literally one of my all-time favorite movie franchises, and I am obsessed with it. I watch a Star Wars movie at least once a week. I'm talking, I actually watch them all the time. It's a problem. You don't want to know how many times I've seen The Last Jedi. But today I can be as shameless as I want about how much I love Star Wars, and I can wear all the cute Star Wars clothes, I can walk around my lightsaber, I can talk about Star Wars, I can watch Star Wars, I can make Star Wars drinks, go to Star Wars events. It's just an amazing, amazing day. But sadly this year I actually have to work, so I don't get to go too hard, but I'm gonna go home and watch the movies. But something that could be very difficult to do is deciding what Star Wars hair you want to wear. Like, there's just so many options throughout the movies, just different types and different braids and different everything, and some are just so complicated, Padme, that you just don't want to put that effort in. And I understand that because I am lazy and I don't really know how to do hair at all. I suck at hair. I can dye my hair. I can let it dry and be wavy and cool, and sometimes I can straighten it, but other than that, I suck. So I want something easy and simple and fast to do, to wear, that I can still show off my Star Wars pride and look like I put effort in, but I didn't have to. So today, I'm bringing you 4, get it, 4, May the 4th, easy hairstyles that you could wear today. So if you want to see how I got all these 4 cute hair looks, please keep watching. The first hairstyle is the easiest of the bunch, brought to you from the prequels. That is the Padawan braid. It is draped across the right shoulder, and I know it's usually fashioned with a shorter haircut, kind of like a buzz cut, with a little ponytail on the back. But we are modernizing it, we are making it everyday, casual, cute. So with my long hair, I decided to put it in a bun and put it behind the ear, so it kind of gives the effect that I have the short hair, but I still get to keep all my hair for today. So let's let voiceover Cat take over and show you how to get it. Alright, so we got our hair, and we're going to go in with some clear rubber bands and some hair ties, and we're going to start going in. Now you're going to want to take a small section of hair on your lower half of your hair behind your right ear. Make sure it's your right, it has to be the right ear. So you want to make sure you just section off a little piece behind your ear, but don't go over your ear, you want this right behind. And then you're going to start pulling your hair into a very low, tight bun in the back of your head. You want to make this as small as you can, trying to emulate that little tiny ponytail that they have. You just want to make it super, super, super tiny and tight, and then just rub your hair tie around it and make a bun. Now let's move over onto that section we parted before. You're just going to brush it out a little bit, get all the kinks and knots out, just to make it easier to braid. And then you're going to tie it into a super tight braid. Try to make this as tight as you can, and just keep going and going and going until you can no longer braid anymore, and just tie it off with a rubber band, and there you go, you have a Padawan braid. Look at that, super easy. Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope. The next hairstyle is brought to you from A New Hope, the original Star Wars movie that started it all. And that is the all-time classic, most popular ever hairstyle to be in Star Wars, the Princess Leia buns. These are so cute and one of my all-time favorite hairstyles to wear. I just feel so empowered every time I wear it because I love Princess Leia. She is my idol. I love her so much. She is just amazing, and this hairstyle is just so cute and so much fun. And I'm sorry if you hear my cat in the background because he is just so rudely ringing his bell right now. But back to what the most important part of this video is, how cute are these buns? So again, I'm gonna let VoiceOver Cat take over and teach you how to get these adorable Princess Leia buns.
Alright, so we are going back in with those same clear rubber bands from before and some hair ties from before. They're going to be a common thing throughout this video, and you're going to section your hair into two parts on the side. And you're going to take your clear rubber band and put your hair into cute little pigtails. Now, these rubber bands are going to help secure your hair for the rest of the work that you're going to do and hold those pigtails in place. So just put them as high as you can right above the ear, and then you're going to start twisting your hair into kind of a log, and you're going to wrap that around the rubber band ponytail, just in the circular motion of like a cinnamon bun. And then we're going to secure that with the hair tie, making sure that we put the end of our cinnamon roll inside so it's nice and firm. And we're going to repeat that step on the same side, rolling it into the dough, wrapping around into the cinnamon roll, and securing it with the hair tie, clipping in the end inside the hair tie. And just for some extra secureness, we're going to take some bobby pins and we're going to attach the top of the bun to our hair using them. This is going to help keep them up and keep them firm and in place.
This next hairstyle is brought to you by Empire Strikes Back, and that is Leia on Hoth, where she has the really cute braids around. It's kind of like a Dutch braid. It's super cute. I have her right here in the outfit from that. I love these dolls, and look how cute we have matching braids. But as you know, the hair is actually all the way wrapped around her head, and I don't have the extensions or enough hair to do that, or the skills to do that. So this is when we're gonna fake it till we make it and make it look like it looks like that, but not really. So here is the easy Leia on Hoth braids.
For the Hoth look, we're going to need those clear rubber bands and bobby pins. Now we're going to start sectioning our hair into two parts again, just like before, but this time instead of rolling it around into that roll, we are going to braid them. I'm trying to keep these braids really loose, and of course I didn't brush my hair. Brush your hair, it'll be a lot easier, but I'm trying to keep these a lot looser and fuller and thicker to make it the appearance that they're thick with the extensions like she has in the movie. So just roll them as thick as you can and then tie it at the end with the clear hair tie, and repeat that step on the other side, just braiding your hair as loose and thick as you can. Make it look, the tighter, it just doesn't look as good as tight. So make it loose and fat. And then you're going to take those and you're just going to wrap it around the top of your head and use your bobby pins to secure it into your hair. You're going to need about 3 or 4 of these just to keep it on top. So just apply them throughout the base and throughout the middle, and the ends is going to hold it up. But now you're going to take the other braid and you're going to wrap it up behind that one, tucking in the ends of each braid into the bottom. So like where one braid begins, you're going to stick the end of the other braid and just attach it to hide the ends to make it look like one continuous braid around the hair. And you're going to fasten it with some more safety pins, and there you go. It's all up and looking cute.
And now we're finally to the last hairstyle, which is actually kind of the most difficult one. It's just actually more intimidating than anything, but if I can do it, you can definitely do it, and that is Rey's buns. They are super cute and fun. It's just 30 little buns in the back of your head. So I was able to do it here. I think it's really cute. Now I know this hairstyle is made for someone with short hair, but you can do it with long hair. You just gotta put a little bit extra more work in there. But it is completely doable and super cute and fun, and just a great rad way to show your love for the new movies and Rey, because she is so badass and so cool. So come on, VoiceOver Cat, let's show them how it's done.
Alright, so for this one you need those clear hair ties and the regular hair ties again. and we're going to start sectioning our hair into 3 parts. I'm taking the first little round and I'm taking the top part of my hair and I'm bringing it back kind of like a high ponytail, like the Ariana Grande ponytail, and I'm just going to tie that with a regular hair tie. That is the base of the ponytail. And I'm going to continue this step with 3 more, sectioning the middle part of my hair and doing a ponytail right underneath it. And I'm just going to move the ponytail up to the top of my head to get that hair out of my face, making sure we aren't combining any of the hair ties, because that just makes it difficult to take out and just doesn't give the right look. So continue doing the last hair tie with the bottom end of your hair and just kind of fluff them out, tighten them to make sure they're there. Now I'm going in with the clear hair tie and I'm going to fold each ponytail in half, and I'm going to tie that with the clear hair tie, and then I'm going to take the excess hair from the bottom and wrap it around the clear hair tie, tucking it in. Oh my god, what is going on? I have like no voice tonight. I am sorry. And I'm just going to continue that, folding each bun in half, tying it with the rubber band, and then wrapping it around. This just makes it super easy to give the right look, and I kind of started from bottom to top because it kind of made it easier that I wasn't getting the other buns in the way from each other. So that's just what I found to be easier. So keep doing those little buns, folding it in half, rubber band, wrap it around. It's repetitive, I know, but it's super easy. It looks so scary, but it's not.
And those are the 4 easy Star Wars looks that you could rock today. I had so much fun making this video. Star Wars content is some of my favorite content to create. I could talk about Star Wars all day long, and if you ask my friends, I do. Especially about Kylo Ren. I talk about Kylo Ren a lot. It's a problem. No, it's not. Have you seen that face? I can't. Let's not get on that tangent right now. But as you know, I love Star Wars, and I have a bunch of other Star Wars content, so if you want to keep the Star Wars videos going, I'm going to link those all down below, so you can keep on going and just keep watching about Star Wars. Or if you don't want to watch that, go watch Star Wars. Just do something Star Wars today. It's Star Wars Day, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I would just be really, really, really rad, and BB-8 would really love that if you did that right now. Also, comment down below what your favorite look and hairstyle from the Star Wars universe is. There is so many great options, and if I could do any hairstyle, I would totally do Padme's hair from the Geonosis, that cool twisty braid thing. I could never do that. I'm not a hairstylist. This is what I've got, what I just showed you. That's my talent. That's all I can do. But I would love to do that, and I would love, as I mentioned before, her pastel lake dress. Oh my god. I saw it in person like a month ago, and I'm still not over it. I literally cried. It was a beautiful moment. Oh, Star Wars clothing is just beautiful. But thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you guys stay lovely, and may the 4th be with you. Bye! Time to go cuddle and watch some Star Wars.